What is up, guys? Welcome back to Gingerhead Aviation Patriot. Today we got a special one for you. So what we're going to be doing, I'm going to make a Valentine's Day gift for my wife. If you were here last year, you remember that we made a book page holder that she could hold the book page while she's reading. Well, this one's going to be a little different. We're going to make a page holder slash phone holder where she can just put the book on top. It basically sits at a 90-degree angle upside down while she's not reading the book. I have everything cut out right here. Not cut out. I have everything measured out already. I was going to do 6 inches for the bottom, like the platform, but I'm going to do 8 inches. And then I'm going to cut both sides, weld them two together. This is going to be the back post. It's going to sit in the back like this. And then I'm going to cut like 2 more pieces from this. And then that are going to sit at this 90-degree angle right on top. And then I'm going to use this piece here to sit kind of like this to support the phone. She can place her phone in there, and then I'm going to cut another piece to support the back of the phone so it doesn't just fall over. It'll also be a good little place to set all her keys or whatever belongings. So let's go ahead and get into it. We need to start with cutting this up, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, I don't have safety glasses that are clear or nothing, so I'm going to use this. I just turn the sensitivity down all the way. This is it's a self-dimming hood that my brother gave me. So let's see if this works. Just turn the sensitivity down all the way so it's super low sensitivity, and hopefully it won't dim on me. Let me get some gloves. I can't see anything. It's too dark. It's too dark in here. I really need better lighting in here. Take 2 with extra light. Hopefully that light doesn't burn out. Can't see anything with that thing on. Do I know what I'm doing? No, not at all. But will I figure it out? Probably. Probably need to start with getting some safety glasses though the next time I'm at the hardware store or something. Because this is kind of sketchy. All right, let's measure this last piece and then cut it, bend it. I think what I'm thinking is do another 8-inch piece, cut it, and then score it right in the middle at 4 inches. Just score it, and then I can bend it and then weld the center so it holds. That's what I'm gonna try to do at least. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna score this line and then heat it up and just bend it in half. You got a good score in there. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm going to just bend it now. I think I need to cut some more out of there. Safety squints. Perfect. I could just throw a bead of weld on there. All right, now let's weld this all together. Now he moves the water jugs. Now remember, I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to welding. So, don't be judging me, y'all. Here goes. It's actually not too bad. Now remember, I've only welded probably 3 or 4 things up until this point. So don't judge me too harshly. Not too bad for a very beginner doing a vertical weld. Hot as crap, dude. Y'all are like, duh. You hear that? I think my head's getting burned. I need a hat. I think I burned my head. And I think I may have been going too fast right there. Because I'm really just guessing because I have no idea. Whew! Warping the metal. Started off fairly good and then I feel like it got worse, but I don't know. And it is warping the metal. Maybe I'm getting too hot. I'm going too fast. I don't know. I don't think those two pieces are going to come apart that easily. You know what they say? A grinder and paint make me the welder I ain't. At least that's what I heard. Smooth. Maybe not perfect, but I think it'll work. Not flat, it got warped while welding it. You can even see it. But that's okay. All right, I got it level, straight, exactly in the spot that I want it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Didn't even stick. Didn't even stick. Oh, what the? This is gonna make me lose my mind, dude. The weakest tack I've ever seen. You watch me fail after fail after fail after fail. Everything was going smoothly until this. It's breaking already, dude. That ain't a good tack weld. I don't know what is. But it ain't level. And it's not holding. Try again. Oh yeah, I need a clamp. Not a clamp, but ground. I need to ground it. It's burning my desk, my wooden workbench. All right, here we go. There we go. This should work. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna be pissed. All right, that fills on there pretty good now, but it's not centered. Oh my gosh, I'm a fool. It was barely on there anyways. I think that's it. Finally get a good weld and it's not even straight. There we go, dude. Oh, don't break on me. Straight. Can you see that? Straight. We just gotta get this one. I'd say that's good enough. That's good enough. I'm gonna weld her up and call it a day with this piece because, man, that thing was being a huge pain in the butt. All right, we can add the roof. Man, that pissed me off. Most important piece. see if we can get this welded up over here. Not really perfect, but I wonder if I can fill that gap. Like I said, I'm not a welder. You know what the issue last time was? I wasn't wearing my welding gloves. I just had regular old gloves. So we should be good this time. Bro, that's pretty level. Too much. Oh man, I'm a fool. All right, check that out. I think that's a solid weld. I can smooth that out. But first, I'm gonna flip this thing upside down and do the inside. Oh man, almost caught my desk on fire. Memories, huh? Boom. Phone holder right in the middle. Leaning that way. Just weld these two pieces together right away. What if I did that? All right, now we got that together. Phone holder, book holder. Perfect, dude. Just gotta clean this up right here. Throw some paint on it. We're gonna paint it blue, because that is her favorite color. Time to clean up. I made you a Valentine's Day gift.
Whoa! Is that book thing? Remember?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It has a little phone holder on it. It might be a little tacky still.
Oh, I like it. That's awesome.
There you go.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
I like that you use blue.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.